Hello guys, my greetings to everyone. Today I'm here to share with you how I prepare my chicken rice. So this is my ingredient. I have my chicken wings here. I have three tomatoes, big one onion, and then avocado pepper. I have my garden eggs here. Here is two tomatoes or tomato paste. It's just small ones. That's what I'll use it for that. Here is my seasoning, onion, ginger, garlic, pepper. I blend it, I put it inside freezer. Anytime I need something, I take it. So here is my yam. I'll be using this slicing pounded yam. So here is my yam. So let's get started. We'll make the soup first. So guys, I'll start by pouring the chicken inside and add my seasoning. Then I'll add my Maggi. I'm using Maggi Dedede. You can use any kind of food you like. That is my favorite food. And then complete seasoning. If you never tried this seasoning before, try it. It's very good. It's herbal seasoning. It's complete seasoning. So I'll add some. Then I'll add my tomatoes, avocado pepper, and then the onion. So I'll go in with some water, not too much, just more water. And I'll add some more salt. Then I'll cover it and let it steam like 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, when the meat is steaming, then it starts getting my yam. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love. So I'll just start it. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Because I want things to move fast. So guys, the meat is boiling, so I'm stirring it to make sure all the seasoning go inside the water. So I'll stir it for the meat everywhere to go inside the water. So now I'll cover it again. So now I finished filling my yam. I'll just wash it and put it inside my pot and start cooking it. And I'm going to wash it again. Press this one inside. So now I finished washing my yam. I'll just add some butter and put it on fire. So now I'll start cooking my yam to here. Now let's check it's time to check our meat. So now the tomatoes and the pepper, onions, everything I've steamed already. So I'll just remove it and blend it and come and pour it inside bag. So I finished blending it. This is how it look like. I'm going to add it to the meat, the chicken. Then I'll rinse inside the blender and add it to it. So I'm adding enough water. So now I'm going in with my tomatoes paste. And I'll stir it and cover it to cook. Later, before I'll add the garden eggs. Now it's time to start cutting my garden egg and add it to the soup. I'll just cut it. Sometimes there's worm inside, so you make sure you check inside before you put it inside the soup. So I'll just cut it into 4 and I'll put it inside the soup. So now I'll wash it with some salt. I'll add some salt to it. And I'll wash it again. I'm going to add any salt. The reason why I did not add it to the soup for the beginning is I don't want the garden egg to be overcooked. That's why I didn't put it inside from the beginning. Some people do it this way. You cook the soup different, then you cook the garden eggs too different. After you finish cooking the food, everything, the soup is ready. Then you pour the garden egg inside. So now cover it and let the garlic egg cook. Now let me check the yam if the yam is ready. So it remains small, then the yam will be ready. Now the yam is ready, so I just let it cool down like 15 minutes so before I'll come and start using I'll use my pounded yam machine to pound this before I'll start pounding. So guys, the yam has cooled down. So now it's time to pound the yam. I'll just put it inside. Has helped me a lot. Now before I'll take this thing and start pounding it. Boom, boom, boom. So this is how it look like. This one is hard. So I'll add some water to make it soft small. Do you like pounded yam or you prefer cassava yam or plantain fufu? So guys, it's ready. Let's see. Wow. Can you see how it is? So this is how it look like. It's ready. I'll just remove it, then I'll start. I have to be careful because the braid, if I'm not careful, the braid will cut my fingers. Wow. Do you like pounded yam or you like cassava fufu or you prefer plantain fufu? Which one do you like? Let me know at the comment section. So I'll just take it and then put it inside my bowl and I'll start enjoying it. So guys, this is how the soup look like. Now it's ready. So I'll just taste it and see if the salt is okay. So I need small salt and I'll mix it. I like pepper, so I'll just put, that's it. So now the soup is ready. I'll just off the fire and take it, put it on my fufu and start enjoying it. Guys, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Please, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, give your girl a thumbs up. So this is how it look like. Do you love what you are seeing? Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support, your caring. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share the video, give your girl a thumbs up. Until you see me in my next video, bye.